So, virtual twin top 5. I think we've landed at number 4.
Yes.
So, Matthias, can you explain what's number 4?
Yeah, number 4, it's been mentioned in our previous, but that is training and education. Using the digital twin to perform training and education. One thing that is for sure is that a lot of our customers have a complex product and they are struggling to do the training. It could be like a nuclear power plant or something like that. And you really put a lot of effort into generate training materials. Yeah. By using the digital twin and doing the trainings, seeing the simulation of a human also doing this inside of the digital twin, you can see the potential hazards, you can see the potential efficiency gains that you can do it, because you can do it repeatedly also to see, would it be faster to go left or right when I go to do this? Simple example, but I mean, that's the case. Yeah. And that is a super strong thing compared to doing it out in the real world. So you have cost efficiency, you have the performance. Again, we're coming back to this stuff, but that's super important. And also improve the quality of your trainings so that you really can anticipate what could potentially go wrong and adjust it before you do it for real.
Good explanation. And maybe while we're on it, I'm going to ask you an additional question, Matthias, around training and education. How would you say a virtual twin can help your customer train their customers in a better way?
Yeah, but that's the same as well. I mean, if you go out and you buy a product, you usually get some kind of manual. We've all been to IKEA, I think.
A lot.
Yeah. And imagine instead of having that and you're trying to find the references and you don't really understand the picture, you have a 3D model, you have a 3D person actually doing that assembly. Yeah. Maybe the complicated moves where you have to bang on stuff, so much easier to do it in like a movie setup digitally than to have that on an old-fashioned description.
Yeah. And if I'm listening rightfully to you, you're also enhancing a little bit of the customer experience for your customer.
Absolutely.
Because it looks more cool and it looks more like something that they can relate to instead of a paper manual.
And one thing more, if you want this to be done also during your changes that you have in your product, you also have a relationship between your digital twin and the material that you're generating. Yeah. So there comes an update. Somewhere along the line, there is an update on your product. You want that to be enforced. You can see which materials do I need to redo. Yeah. So that connection also is super important, so that the user feels that the product, the instructions that they are getting is the one towards the actual product and the revisioning of it.
Nice. Thanks for explaining. Yeah. We'll go up to number 5.